If you've never invested in crypto and you want to make a whole lot of money in crypto this year, watch this few minutes video. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about crypto. Very important video. Don't skip. First of all, as you can see, emboldened crypto industry seeks to cement political influence and mainstream acceptance. This is Trump pushing for crypto to blow up. That's what it means. Go and read it, okay? As you can see when it's written, you see? So first step, you need to go to coinmarketcap.com. All right, that's where you see the list of cryptos in the world, okay? So if you read here, you will see that the first one is Bitcoin because it has the highest market cap. We're coming to market cap, okay? You see Ethereum. This is the cost of one Ethereum, 2,000. Cost of one Bitcoin, $95,000, and so on. This is how Bitcoin has performed in the past 24 hours. As you can see, it dropped in value in the past 24 hours by 0.6%, nearly 1%, okay? This one dropped by 2.5%, okay? So if you go to CoinMarketCap, you're going to see this list, and that's how to understand it, okay? So now, if you look at this, you will see what people think about crypto industry, whether there is fear that it's going to go down or there is greed. As you can see, there is somewhere in the 11 o'clock, all right? Greed is when people are investing so much, thinking that, oh, something is going to happen, so they're pumping in more money. And this is fear. So it's somewhere-ish. This is a sweet spot to invest in. Okay? This is how much people have invested in the last 24 hours. $96 billion have gone into all these cryptos in total, which means what? Great market. Now you can click on any of them. So we're going to just click on Bitcoin. Click on it, it will open more details about Bitcoin. As you can see, this is more details. $95,000, that's the cost of Bitcoin today. It has dropped this amount, all right? Now, look at how Bitcoin has performed in one day. Beginning of the day, as the rest of the day was going, is performing badly in one day because what it dropped 0.6%. But let's see how it has performed. You can click here for 7 days. That is past 1 week, past 1 month, past 1 year. So let's look at 1 year, all right? So if you click on this, you will see that in the past 1 year, Bitcoin has actually performed well. So even though it's doing up and down per day, all right? Generally, in the past 1 year, it has gained 84%. So by this time last year, if you invested in crypto, let's say you invested in 100 million naira in Bitcoin this time last year, this year you would have had 184 million naira. If you invested 1 million naira February last year in Bitcoin, this year you will have 1.8 million naira. That's what it means. So let's say all time, since Bitcoin was ever created, as you can see, it was doing terribly at some point. Then there's a spike, it drops. There's a spike, it drops, there's a spike. But generally, it has performed 154 million %. That's 154 million times, right? That is how much your money would have grown if you invested in 2008 when they launched Bitcoin and you don't touch it till now. 154 million %. It's crazy. There is no business in the world that would have yielded you that amount of money in that period. If you scroll down a little, you'll see market cap, okay? You see other details. Just under that chart, if you just scroll down, you see these details, right? It's important. The most important thing here is the market cap. First of all, in the past 24 hours, people have pumped in $28 billion into Bitcoin, okay? Not pumped in, but trading, buying and selling, okay? $28 billion, which means it's a very active market. Now here is the market cap. In a layman's term, right, this is total value of assets that people have. Let's say you have a plot of land, is worth 0 naira, and somebody buys a portion of it for 10 million naira. Now the whole land is now worth 10 million naira. That is the market cap of the land, worth 10 million naira. If somebody buys another one, 20 million, like that. Total assets people are holding is $1.8 trillion. This is close to $2 trillion. Now, the price of Bitcoin will not trouble. Remember the price of Bitcoin that we had at $98,000. Okay, now, look at it now. $95,000. For this price to double, this has to double. Which means if you had 10 million naira in Bitcoin, and this 2 trillion, let's call it 2 trillion, right? If this 2 trillion doubles to 4 trillion, your 10 million naira investment will become 20 million naira. So you can tell whether this crypto will double or not by just looking at this. Now, what are the chances that people will be able to pump in enough money for this thing to move from 2 trillion to 4 trillion naira this year, trillion dollars this year? It can happen, but it's very rare. That's a lot of money to go in before Bitcoin can move. Bitcoin is so huge, it's a behemoth now. Okay, so it's not a good investment for people that want to make times 10, times 50, times 100 of their money. Bitcoin will never do even times 10 from this. It's going to take years, decades for it to do times 10. But it can do times 2 this year. You get, because the market cap is so huge. There are a number of other things to check here, but I'm just picking the important ones. So if you scroll down a little, you'll see something. You see where it says Bitcoin market. This is where you can buy Bitcoin, okay? I'm just telling you, using Bitcoin as an example for other cryptos. Bitcoin market is a Binance, buy Bitcoin. These are exchanges where you can buy, all right? And it's telling you how much it's trading in each exchange. As you can see, the numbers are slightly different. Some people are making money by buying a lot of this here, selling it and moving it to this place because of the slight price difference. But you can't do that unless you have a whole lot of money. Okay, it's not a good business for other people. But you can click around here to see other types of exchanges. It will categorize it for you, but that's not that important. So if you want to make a lot of money from crypto, even though you have seen you can visit CoinMarketCap generally, but you don't know the crypto. There are over 180 million cryptos. You don't know which particular one to buy. All right, that will make you that sweet money you are looking for times 10, times 20. Times 5, times 50 this year, all right? You go to investorpath.org. When you go there, you register and create an account and log in. When you log in, your dashboard looks like this. You click this green button, and it will show you the next page that looks like this. The next page looks like this. So basically here, you buy cryptos that will perform well. These cryptos have been properly analyzed. AI has gone through the market based on your budget, how much you budget, because you tell it how much you want to invest in crypto. Okay, based on your budget, and you also tell it how much you want to make from crypto, right? It will analyze the crypto market and pick the cryptos that match, that can make you that kind of money or even more. All right, it will pick it, and in this case now, it picked 2 cryptos for me, and I will pay this amount to get the list. Instead of just investing randomly, you invest with knowledge. Okay, here it's for 5 cryptos, I'll pay this amount, and for 10 cryptos I'll pay this amount. Okay, I'll get 10 cryptos. It also gives bonus. You can buy 2 cryptos and you'll see 6. You can buy 10 and you see 30 cryptos that will perform really well. Okay, so once you make payment, you chat up admin, confirm. Once your payment is confirmed, you're good to go. So payment is confirmed. We're seeing a list like this. This crypto will perform 173% this year. This one will perform in the next 1 month. Estimated to perform 57%, 97%, and so on. You will see 6 months. You see another column for 9 months. This is a column for 1 month estimates, 6 months or estimates, and then 1 year. Okay, so in 1 year, as you can see, this thing in 1 month is less accurate. 1 year is more accurate. But these are conservative estimates. It may perform way more than this, but this platform goes conservative, okay, the lowest. Okay, so this crypto now is looking good because it's estimating that it will do this amount in 1 year. So it's a good crypto for me to invest in. You click on invest, and then admin will be guiding you step by step till you make the investment. Look at this one, 76 times. Projected to grow 76 times in 1 year. That is, if you put $1,000, you'll cash out $76,000 by the end of the year. And also, you can click on the crypto. It will take you back to that CoinMarketCap page of this crypto, so you can confirm actually that the crypto is really performing well. Okay, then you know the exchanges there you can click to invest, or admin will guide you how to invest in it in an exchange. Once you have done your investment, what else you do? You chill to the end of the year when you sell your crypto and buy a Lamborghini. That's what we call when Lambo in crypto. Okay, when you can buy a Lamborghini with your investment. All right, so end of this year is when Lambo, and when Moon is somewhere in the next 4 to 6 months. See you in the next video. Make sure you chat me up. Click my name to chat me up, and then I will guide you through the process, or you just visit investorpath.org and then register from there. You can chat up admin from there. Okay, crypto is about to blow. You need to get in before it blows. By the time it blows, that will be too late. You become something with